In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gmail search history. If you want to clear out old searches in Gmail, the good news is that it's very quick and easy to do. This can be helpful if you want a cleaner search experience, if you've searched for something sensitive on a shared device, or if you simply don't want old search suggestions showing up every time you click into the Gmail search field. To get started, open Gmail and go to your inbox. Make sure you're on the main Gmail screen where you can see your emails and the search bar at the top. If Gmail is still loading, just give it a moment so everything appears properly before moving on. Once you're in your inbox, click directly into the search bar at the top of the page. This is the same place where you normally type keywords, email addresses, or subject lines to find messages. As soon as you click into it, Gmail should display your recent search history in a drop-down list. Now take a look at the search history items that appear. Next to each recent search, you should see a small X. To remove a search entry, click the X next to the specific item you want to delete. Gmail will remove that search from the list right away. If you want to clear multiple search history items, simply repeat the same process one by one. Click the X next to each search term you no longer want to see. This gives you control over exactly what stays and what gets removed, so you don't have to clear everything if you only want to delete a few entries. As you do this, it's a good idea to double check the list before closing the search bar, especially if you're trying to remove anything private or outdated. If a search item disappears after you click the X, that means it has been removed successfully. And that's all there is to it. Deleting Gmail search history is a simple way to keep your account looking cleaner and make your search suggestions more relevant. It also helps reduce clutter when you're using Gmail regularly and searching through a lot of messages. If you found this helpful, you can use the same method anytime your recent searches start piling up again. Just open Gmail, click in the search bar, and remove the items you no longer need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.